Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to talking about this massing, and this is the Bjarke Ingels project, and this project's name is OPPO R&D Headquarters. Okay, now we are going to make this building structure in Revit, Autodesk Revit. So let's do it. Go to this. We have already made this massing. Okay, this form already made this form. So I need to close this project. First, go to click this families tab, just click new and open this conceptual mass. First, go to this elevation in project browser. Now draw a ellipse on this elevation view. Just click this point anywhere of this elevation view. Okay, now we have to offset this elliptical shape. Say 30 feet. Now go to this west elevation and just pick this line, this elliptical shape which we already created in south elevation. So just rotate this elliptical to shape and make sure this check this disjoint box. Just rotate this elliptical shape, say 28 degree. Now we have to rotate this center elliptical shape. Now just go to this west elevation. First select this internal elliptical shape and just go to this west elevation and just apply a rotate this form and disjoin this shape and just rotate this elliptical shape, internal elliptical shape, say 18 degree. Okay. Now we have just select this internal elliptical shape and just edit this dimension. Just click this dimension and say 50-60 feet. We have to parallel this big elliptical shape in just click this dimension, say 70 feet. Okay, that's it. Now go to this 3D view. Now select this spline point. First of all, draw a SP line in outer shape in this elliptical shape. make sure each point of both sides have to equal in both direction. So now then draw a SP line on this internal elliptical shape. Now mirror this both elliptical shape, both SP line in opposite direction. Just go to this west elevation and select this SP line and mirror rotate this SP line, and also rotate this SP line, and also make sure they hit check this box copy in this modify panel. And also select this outer elliptical shape and also rotate this in this alignment. Okay, now just delete the elliptical shape line which we already created before create this SP line. Now select this SP line and convert to in reference line. Select this SP line in the reference line. Now create a form. Okay, now go to this left elevation and say we have to select all this surface and move this surface a little bit from this ground level. Say 40 feet or in the move. $35. Okay, now just go to this 3D view and we have to draw some circle shape, not so perfect, but we have to pick this line and just trace this circle on this ground level, level 1. Pick this line and make sure the placement plane is level 1. just pick this line and also pick this line, and also internal line of this elliptical shape. Okay, now select this line and convert to reference line. And now select this line in outer shape and create a form. Select this line, reference line, in internal circle area, and just select this internal elliptical half of elliptical shape and say create form. Okay, so we have already created in mass model just like this shape. Now we have to create in ground area, in curve area, ground entry side of this building. Just curve this ground surface. Now let's do it. First of all, just go to this elevation and say to draw a line, say start and radius arc. Just pick this arc and just drag this up and just draw a line. Now go to this 3D view and select this line and convert to in reference line. And now select this line and create a form, void form. Hit the tab key, select this surface of this void form and just drag this arrow. See, the form is created. In entry side, which is already shown in this picture. Okay, so just select this surface and convert this divide surface. Select this and divide surface. You have to make sure that hit the tab key on your keyboard and select this divide surface. Okay, now also hit the tab key. This is the joint solid geometry, and also again tab, and this is the face. Just click this face and just select this divide surface. Okay, so that's it for this tutorial. Okay, we have to place in this mass in this grid point such a louver type. Okay, in next tutorial. Okay, so see you next video tutorial in this of this mass in next part. Okay, thank you. Assalamu alaikum.